Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Seneca Learning Study. On this channel we discuss everything Seneca Learning and education. As in the title for the video, we are looking at how to access Seneca Learning on a computer. So let's get to it. We are on Google. Everyone knows Google. You can use Bing, you can use anything else that you find, anything will work. We have to write into the engine is Seneca Learning. Spell it right, of course. And then it will load you up onto a page, and you are looking for this first one called senecalearning.com. Click on that, free virtual home learning and homework. It will take you to this page. Okay, so there might be a lot of things here, but I think it's quite minimalistic. At this page, the home page right now, you can discuss down in comments, so go there and let's see what you can come up with. Okay, so normally what I think, so the people that are watching my videos, what I think is that you are a student, but if you are a teacher, there will be a separate video coming out on how to use it as a teacher. But as this is focusing for students, I'll go to students use for free here in this white box at the near bottom of the screen. You can click it, you will come up to this page. So these are all the courses. Normally these are free, but if you want to pay for the premium version, you can. Right now I won't talk about the premium version. Mostly all my videos are going to be free. So let's take a look. This is what, okay, so as you know, that this is like the courses. Yep, okay. You have many different courses. On your left here, you have all your filters. So if your age group, you have GCSE, A-level, Key Stage 3, BTEC, Primary 11 plus, Common Entrance, Reach, Feltham, Teacher CPD, Skills, and Uni Entrance, which don't have currently any free ones at the time of recording. Next down we have subjects. These will be all your subjects. You can take a look at some of these here. Some of them, like business, have 17. Sciences normally have high things. Look at that. Combined science have 35 free courses for you to do. We've got English with 17, English literature with 165. This is because it has so many books, and I'll just show you that when we are browsing through. We have geography 35, history 77, and you can see the list goes on and on. Next we have exam board. This is normally, okay, so as we were talking about, this is exam boards. So these are normally for GCSEs, A levels, things like that. If there are any others, then please let me know in the comments below, or there will be an email coming out in future videos. Please email that video if you find that useful. Then we got type. These are all the types of things that you can use as a free user. Normally most of them will be standard, but you can get some of the premium features, as you can see here. Yeah, and the list of premium features does go on, and there will be a separate video on why to purchase Seneca Premium. Tier, this will be higher and foundation. This is normally for your maths, English, science. If there are any other subjects, please let me know. I am new to these things, so please let me know. But I do know about this. I have been using it for absolutely ages. So yeah. Okay, so back to the free courses. So you can filter it out. By default, it's filtered out by free, but you can also turn that off or check premium to get all of them, but you will have to pay a fee. But I will just be talking about the free version in this video. So you can scroll and do some but I will be focusing on biology now. So I'm going to go and find a course. So when you do filter out something, it filters it out by subject. So it will come with a blue dot, and I've filtered it out by exam board. So there we go, it's the blue dot. So in this case, we are looking at the physics. I have made other videos on how to do the answering of them, but that's how you do it. Okay, so when we get into it, when it does load, we are presented with this when it loads, you'll be presented with this page. You have got a button down on the bottom to say Start Learning. This will be on normally the first topic. Yeah, the topics are on the left of the screen, so you can see them here. Yep, so we have got the scientific tools, so they're about your normal stuff. These are just all your normal topics. Press the drop down. It has another subtopic. You press that again, and then you got like your lesson things. And you can say you got grade 9 things there. You can do that to really boost your grades and things like that. When you do go onto something, let's go onto scalars and vector quantities. It will be presented with probably a similar page. I don't like it in this way, but some of you do like it. So at the top of your topics, you have a little 3 lines and a little arrow. I suggest press that. That will reduce any of your distractions and focus your time on the learning. So let's press that. Yep, that will get you into a focus page. You can then press Start Learning. It will go through the questions, you answer it. Okay, so let's do some of the questions and I'll show you how it's done. So this is a normal like description recall thing. You just read it out. You can change the typing speed of this so it suits within your if your reading pace. So if you want it faster, you can put it up to 2.5 speed, or you can turn it off, which would mean that it just doesn't move any text, it just does it. I like it on 1.5 because I find 1 very small, so you can carry on doing that. You just press these arrows to get along through them, and that will go on to it. Whenever you want to go on to the next thing, you just press continue, and it will take you to maybe a question, maybe another recall, or whatever. This is like a multiple choice, like a true and a false, that you only have 2 options. So you can either move it, or you can just press on the correct answer. Let's do the correct answer. There we go, that's the correct answer. Then we have this exam style questions. Sorry about my throat, it's a bit dry, too much talking. Okay, so this is the exam question. You will be presented with a question. You can answer it in your own pace. That's what I love about Seneca. It can be at your own pace. You can go fast, you can go slow, you can do anything. But you got these exam questions, you do it on paper, you do it on something else, and then you come back to it. If you don't get it, this is also a worked example, and this is how you check the answer. You just click it to check the answer. What I love about this is that it tells you about the worked example and how it's all working, and then it asks you how well did you understand this. If you found it hard, then it will focus more questions on that, so you understand if that gets easier, but it will also interrogate that with other questions so they both interlink, and you get better and better each time you do it. If you do easy, then less of them will come, but they will pop up frequently, so you can just choose one of them. In this case, I'm going to press OK. Here we go, there's another multiple choice question, so I know that it has direction, so vector quantity. There we go, another recall. We're going to continue that. We got embedded videos. You can watch the videos. I tend to skip them, but you can watch them if you want to. Next we have, if we skip that, another recall. This might be in a different order or whatever, but this is so like that. There we go. Another of these. You also have these style questions. These are multiple choice, but you have more of an option, so you need to do the correct answer. If you get it wrong, then it will tell you the correct answer. This is another like recall thing. You click on a word that you might not understand or you want to elaborate on. So like velocity, I'll press that. It will tell me the definition. What a vector quantity is, it will tell me that. Scalar quantity, if I press that, and you can go through that all the way through. So let's continue. Another one of these multiple choice questions. There we go, I got it wrong. It told me the correct answer. I then continue it. This is one of my favorite ones. You can write this down. So let's say that if a car traveling at a velocity of 10 per second, okay, I know the answer, and the answer is, there we go. If I get it correct, then it will just blab it out. I've got it correct. I'll move on to the next question. If I didn't know it, or if I didn't know it, you can't get these questions. You can't like put a false answer and then enter it. There'll be a this bit where it says choose an answer. It would be here. In this case, it would say check. So you would check that. So I'm just gonna go through this. I'm gonna continue it. There we go. We got another one of these. I don't know answer to this, but I will do in future videos. And then you get to this page, it will say India or Iran. You can choose any, it doesn't really matter. It stores it in the memory, and if you want to. Okay, now I will tell you, when you press next, it will automatically go on to the next like lesson or like the subtopic or whatever it is. Okay, to exit it, you go to the 3 lines here. It will open all your topics up. And I was doing scale and vector. It's gone down to the next bit, which is distance and speed. I don't want to do that now. I'm tired of revising whatever. You can return to the home by pressing this home button on the top right. Once you press it, it will take you back to the home page. Now we will talk about why you need a login. Well, a login. To log in, you can sign up to create an account. All you need is your first name, last name, email, and the password. Once you have, you can log in. Okay, and let me log in for you. Okay, so I am logged on. This is okay. I'll tell you the benefits of logging on. So it will save your things or whatever. So it'll save your progress, so you can access it on your mobile device. You can access it back on your computer, and you know what you've done, what your past score was. So you can see if you got better, and that's what I love about Seneca. So please give this a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Have a good day.